We're in Chicopee, Massachusetts today. We're at 49 Stedman Street. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look.
What are you doing here, dude?
We're doing a video.
What are you talking about? This house is sold already.
You just listed this house.
I listed it Friday. It's sold today.
Oh my God. Well,
come on in. Just
all
take
right.
a look anyways.
All right. It looks like some love was put into this place to get it ready to sell.
Yeah, that's true. The seller asked for advice and completely listened to what I suggested.
All right. So you're saying if they listen to their agent, they can all sell their house this quick?
That's pretty much what I'm saying, yeah.
So as we're going around this place, what kind of things did we suggest get done here to get this seller the top price to sell quickly in this marketplace?
So he painted all the walls, all the ceilings, and the trim. All the floors in all of the rooms except for this kitchen were all completely replaced.
So do you feel the work that you had advised him to do returned him a little bit more than he spent?
Oh yeah, absolutely. We ended up with multiple offers and it went above asking.
Don't forget the vanities. You replaced all 3 vanities in all the bathrooms.
All right, Liz, who's this bearded guy here?
Oh, this is Leo. He's the newest team member.
All right, man. Welcome to the team. So listen to your realtor on price, listen to your realtor on preparation, and we're selling these things fast. If you're looking to buy or sell, hit up the Elizabeth Salois Team. If you're looking to get pre-approved, I'd love to help. This is Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look. Thanks, Chicopee. We're out of here.